extremely lucky. In Tasmania, it's who you know. And I have been given the privilege to fish at this private lake. Let's see what we can get, eh? Alright, I'm gonna go wet. I'm gonna strip some wets because they don't seem to be interested in anything off the surface. Let's strip a big wet, eh? There's one right in front of me. Right, I'm going to sparkle. I'm going to sparkle to attract more interest. Is it going to happen? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was a hit. Okay. Instant success on the bright yellow fly. All right, changing again. Thought I saw the line move. Maybe I didn't. It's a bit hard to see now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I've hooked up finally, and it looks like a bloody big rainbow or something. I don't know what it is, but I need to get him onto the reel. Finally, something's taken it. Oh, he's got a bit of weight on him. Sorry for my French, but that's a big fish. Whoa. Oh, he's going. Drag a bit. Whew. He was big. He's going. He's going for a run. How am I going to wind this one in? Tire him out. He's going out to the middle. Oh, let him go. He's way out the middle. Jeez. Bring him over here. Here he comes. He's coming. He likes to fight. He's fighting. Look at the reel go. Woo! I reckon it's a big rainbow. Jeez. Oh, I'm getting tired. My arm's getting tired. That's a beast. Absolute. Oh, crikey. That looks like a big rainbow to me. Oh, I don't think my net's gonna handle him. Oh, here we go. That's a big. Oh, it's a big rainbow. Huge. That's a big fish. I don't want to get in the water because it's... Oh, crikey. My net can't even hold him, he's that big. This is ridiculous. Oh, that is a whopper. That is probably the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life. They're a beautiful fish. Yeah, that took the... There you go. Right, that's my biggest, definitely my biggest fish on a fly rod. 72 centimetres. Holy... If I can I don't know if I can do this, but there it is. That is a beast. Right. Well, I just had the fight of my life with that big rainbow. Huge fish. I know he's not wild, but still. Oh, look at that. When you hook up, they are fun. Oh, look at that. I'm getting follows. There's another rainbow. I'm getting follows every single cast. And then just for some reason, some of them take it and some of them don't. Oh, I missed him. I pulled the fly out of the water too quickly. Oh, what am I doing? Oh yeah, that was a take. Oh, now they're starting to bite now. There's a cast. Is that a hit? Oh, there's a big squirrel out there, look at that. Oh yes! Oh, I lost him! He was a good one! He was a good one. Right, we just try again. Now they're starting to bite. This is exciting! I don't know if you can see this, but there's about 20 of them all just sitting in there. Look at that. There you go. He took it. Ah, come on. Come on. I don't know what that is. It's a brown or what. But he took it. Oh, I'm gonna have to. He's huge. I'm gonna have to get him on the reel. Oh. He might be another rainbow. Oh, there he is. Well, he's a big brown, I think. Is he a brown? He's not that big. Not as big as my last fish. There's another one coming. Still got a bit of fight in him. Oh, what a fish, eh? What a fish. Looks like a big male, I reckon. On you. In you come. So big, I have to hold the line like this. He's too big to get in the net. Oh, bloody net's gonna break. Oh, finally. That's a big brown. That's what that is. Okay. Big male brownie. There he is. Big male brownie. I think that's gonna have to do it. So that's my second big fish. That's a big brownie, big male. Look at the head on that. That one's 60 centimeters. So two big monster fish. And I have to say thanks to Mountain Stream Fishery for letting me come and have a go here today. Great fun.